Hi guys, it's Nunu and I am here in our assignment due this weekend on Sunday, chapter 2 of this little book about how to write a college level essay. It's 25 points and it's all about developing a rhetorical focus for an essay. You have this handy video I made for you to help you out with that. Let's go ahead and look at the directions, the timeline, as I just told you. Post your work by Sunday evening. The overview, what is this assignment about? This assignment will remind you why a rhetorical focus is vital to a cohesive essay and help you to make sure that your rhetorical focus for your research paper is logical. Now, what does this word cohesive mean? Here's a Merriam-Webster definition. The act or state of sticking together tightly. That's good for cohesion. So what does that mean in regard to an essay? An essay that is cohesive has a clear rhetorical focus, and this helps with everything else from the rhetorical focus, from this thing right here, the rhetorical focus, the whole essay streams out from that and becomes focused right down to transitions, okay? So go ahead if you need to and review this video about developing a rhetorical focus and then begin your work here in directions. First, read and complete the exercises in Chapter 2 and post them in this assignment. Copy and paste your work for Chapter 2 onto the screen in this assignment. And then 2, then tell me what a rhetorical focus is. And of course, I say see the video in Chapter 2 for help and detail the rhetorical focus that you have developed for your term paper in this class. Okay. So that's very important. And as you know, our topic is why are student success rates so low in American schools? And what's the solution or solutions to this problem? Then number 3, explain why you developed the rhetorical focus that you did for your research paper. And explain, too, if your rhetorical focus changed during the semester as you thought about the research paper topic. For example, answering this question, why are student success rates so low in American schools? And what's the solution or solutions to this problem? You may have had a knee-jerk reaction and thought, well, I have 12 plus years of schooling. I know exactly why they're low in school. It's teachers, or it's the curriculum. It's boring and it doesn't make sense. It's a lot of busy work, or maybe it's not teachers or the curriculum. Maybe it's students, or it's my parents who never helped me to study, or it's administrators, or it's low funding to schools, so we can't get the help that we need. Or maybe it's all of these things, okay? So during the semester, your rhetorical focus might have changed a little bit as you thought about the topic, as you became more informed about different things such as poverty rates and all the things we studied. So really explain if your rhetorical focus changed during the semester, okay? And tell me why or why not. And I have click here for help with rhetorical focus. I have yet more help. Let's click on here and see what it is. And I have an example for you of what your work should look like. I don't want yes or no answers. I want details. So you'll need to read through this very carefully. You can see that it's about a page long detailing a student's rhetorical focus. So read this example very, very carefully. Make sure you don't give me something that's just a few lines long. Click here for help with the rhetorical focus to see what it is that I want you to do. Okay? As always, if you have any questions or concerns about your assignments in this assignment about Chapter 2, I am here in Inbox. You just need to click on that and ask me for help, and I'll give you help. All right, let's review how to use Inbox. You click on Inbox. You go and you find the icon in here with the pencil in it, and it's right here. This icon, you would click on this. You would find our course, which is this one right here, theme with the words why, the ellipses, and fall 18, 16 weeks. Click on this. So you have the right course. Start to write in my name, maybe the first 3 letters, NUA. There I am. And tell me what you need help on. Chapter 2 assignment. That's what you need help on. Write me a message and send it to me, and I'll get that message and I'll respond to you. You'll see a number here, like I see numbers right here. I have 3 messages from students I need to answer. You'll see one from me, okay? So I am going back to Chapter 2. I've reviewed this assignment for you. I hope these notes are helpful. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox. Have a great, safe, beautiful weekend.